Good morning, it's Dana from Growing Dreams Homestead, and I am down in the raised bed herb garden, and I have been out here for a while. It's pretty chilly this morning, getting wood together and trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. They're not going to be rebuilt the same. The wood I have is different lengths, and I kind of am thinking I want bigger beds, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to start building, and y'all can come along for the adventure. I got my trusty helper Squeaker with me, so here we go. Got the first bed put together, and as you can see, it's longer than it originally was, but it's not long enough to encompass that bed. So either I have to move that bed in there, or maybe make a step down in a second smaller bed. That's kind of what I'm thinking about doing. I think that might look cute. So, and then I have another board here that I could add on top to make it even taller. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. I want to get the other bed started, get it, framed in and everything. So, bed one. Alright, so there's one end on that bed. I am moving it down some because I want it to be in line with the other one, and it was off a bit, as you can tell, and you could really tell in like the aerial photos. And then of course it's ending in this other bed, so I'm gonna have to shovel out the middle of that to get that end on, so I'll work on that. But so far it's looking good. Okay, so this bed I just cut off the end. This is a peppermint bed, and I put the pieces in here, which my peppermint I am going to use in the orchard for companion planting around my orchard trees, so this will come in handy. So I'm just splitting that off and getting down to ground level so I can put my end boards on this bed over here. This bed, when we built it, we used hugelkultur, and we put in sticks and leaves, and as you can see, this dirt is amazing and it's full of worms. So the hugelkultur worked beautifully. We'll probably do that to fill in the ends of these beds that are getting expanded. has been a productive morning. I've been out here since about 10. It was super chilly when I started and I was getting nice and warm. It's about 1:30. I think I'm gonna go get some food in my belly, but I've been working, building these beds. They are looking good, I think. This wood came from a shed on some property my mom had bought to run her cattle on. It was like a super old, please don't attack me. It was a super old shed. You can see like the marks in it where it was like milled right there, and then they were like in the roof. They were the boards in the roof. They're super nice, I think. I'm getting attacked. Please don't attack me. You're supposed to be my helper. They were the boards in the roof, and they were tearing down, you know, a lot of the structures because they're gonna make it pasture for their cattle. So we took a lot of wood, and I'm glad to be reusing it. So these beds are 9 foot 3 inches and 3 foot wide, and I still got to figure out what I'm doing on the other end, but I think they look really good so far. I'm gonna have to get some fill dirt and some compost to fill them up with, put some more sticks and things, do the hugelkultur thing, but pretty happy with how the day is going so far. I'll probably come out after I eat and keep working. This bed is 2 boards high. That one's only 1 so far. I'm going to put another one, I think, so they match. And then gotta figure out the ends and figure out what I'm doing with the strawberries. So looks good so far, I think. Alright, so I did add a lower level bed on the end of each of the new ones. That one, the dirt level's higher, but I think it'll settle. So far so good. I gotta get my second row on this one. Gotta go get some boards and pull nails out of them. So I'll get working. I'm excited. Yay. Day 3 of working on the raised beds, and it's been raining this morning, but I did come down and got that strawberry bed that was in the back in the middle. You can see right there, I got it out, and I replanted the strawberries in this bed, and I moved a lot of the dirt and things into this bed. This one still needs 1 more row of wood on it, but like I said, it's wet and rainy and yucky. So, and then this one, all the logs that were in that bed I threw in here, and then we're gonna fill that in with dirt and compost. But I think everything looks really good. I'm very happy with the result. I think it's great. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. I will show a final product when I get those last 2 boards on the first bed. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks good. Thanks for hanging out with me. Have a good one. Bye.